Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this right now, chances are you're not just anyone, you're a chosen one. You feel it deep down, don't you? That whisper, that pull, that sense that you're destined for something more, something significant. Well, tonight we're not just talking about potential, we're talking about activation, because this isn't just another video, this is a declaration. Tonight, you're going to 100% become the person you were always meant to be. Get ready, because the shift starts now. For too long, many of us have lived with an idea of who we could be. We've dreamt, we've planned, we've even started, only to hit a wall, get sidetracked, or succumb to doubt. But tonight, we're cutting through all of that noise. We're shedding the layers of almost and stepping fully into absolutely. Think about it. What does it mean to be a chosen one? It means you possess unique gifts, a distinct perspective, and a vital purpose that only you can fulfill. It's not about being better than anyone else. It's about being authentically, unapologetically you. And that, my friends, is a superpower. So, let's talk about what this transformation looks like. First, tonight, you are becoming undeniably confident. Not a superficial bravado-filled confidence, but a deep-seated knowing that you are capable, worthy, and deserving of every good thing heading your way. This confidence isn't born from external validation. It sprouts from within, from recognizing your inherent value and potential. It means silencing that inner critic that's been holding you back, telling you you're not smart enough, not strong enough, not ready. Tonight, we tell that voice to take a seat, because you're driving. You're stepping into your power with a belief so strong, it becomes magnetic. Secondly, you're becoming laser-focused. How often do we spread ourselves thin, chasing too many goals, getting distracted by shiny objects, or simply feeling overwhelmed by choice? Tonight, that scattershot approach ends. You are crystallizing your vision. What is the one thing, the paramount goal, the ultimate aspiration that truly sets your soul on fire? Identify it, write it down, visualize it with every fiber of your being. From this moment forward, every decision, every action, every ounce of your energy will be channeled towards that singular, powerful objective. This isn't about rigidness, it's about clarity. It's about recognizing that true progress comes from concentrated effort. You're no longer dabbling, you're dedicating. Thirdly, tonight, you are becoming fearlessly resilient. Life will always throw curveballs, challenges are inevitable. Setbacks are part of the journey. But the difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't the absence of problems, it's the response to them. Tonight, you are programming yourself to see obstacles not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth. You are cultivating an unshakable inner strength that allows you to bounce back stronger, smarter, and more determined than ever before. Rejection, a redirection, failure, a lesson, doubt, a whisper to push harder. You are a phoenix, ready to rise from any ashes, transforming adversity into your greatest advantage. This resilience isn't about avoiding pain, it's about transcending it. And finally, tonight, you are becoming an unstoppable action taker. It's one thing to feel confident, be focused, and possess resilience. It's another thing entirely to consistently act on those qualities. Tonight marks the end of procrastination and the beginning of consistent, inspired action. You're not waiting for perfect conditions, you're creating them. You're not seeking permission, you're giving it to yourself. You're no longer just dreaming, you're doing. This means taking that first step no matter how small, making that call, writing that email, starting that project, committing to that habit. Every single day you will take intentional, purposeful steps forward. The momentum you build from tonight onward will become an unstoppable force, propelling you towards the destiny you're embracing. This isn't magic, my friends. It's self-actualization. It's unlocking what's already inside you, just waiting to be unleashed. The universe has chosen you, and tonight, you are choosing yourself unequivocally. So, as this video concludes, I want you to sit with these declarations. Feel them resonate within you. Recognize the incredible power you hold. Tonight, you are 100% transforming into the confident, focused, resilient, and unstoppable force you were always meant to be. Embrace it, own it, live it. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. If this message resonated with you, if you feel that powerful shift happening right now, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with another chosen one who needs to hear this tonight. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content designed to empower and elevate you. Until next time, go out there and absolutely crush it. You are a chosen one, and your time is now.